wearing sunglasses. That can only mean one thing. I've got a really bright light in front of me. Loot Crate. It's March's Loot Crate in one of these boxes. Starting to get a few of them now. It's quite nice inside each box. There's a different sort of interior. So I received this one maybe last week or 2 weeks ago, and I was withholding from opening it just so I could unbox it. Problem was that I went away to Oslo, so was not able to record a video. I took a load of photos there, so if you are interested in some Oslo snaps, check out my Instagram. It's Richie Burns 117, one word. But today we have not this one. That's already open, I'm afraid. This seems quite full. So in today's Loot Crate, I do believe that I've totally forgotten what it is. Dungeons and Dragons, Sonic the Hedgehog, Back to the Future, and some other stuff. And I'll just crack into it. Shall we crack this bad boy open? It always comes in a black box like this. They always come in varying different sizes. See, this one was much bigger. So they all come in different sizes. So this is from March. So let's crack this open. So already we've got TV, screen, full color TV. So what have we got here? Let's crack it open first. Galaga, a loot pin. It looks like an 8-bit sort of Atari game, which is quite apt. Seems as Ready Player One has come out in the cinema, and there's quite a few good references on that to different video games. I quite enjoyed it. So what have we got in this one? The Simpsons, 25 years. It's a keychain. I do not know what it is. This one seems to be a bit more things in this one compared to other ones, like a range of different things. Let's crack this bad boy open. Oh, what is in here? It is a donut. And Homer Simpson has taken a bite out of this donut. So we've got the donut, we've got the loot pin, we got the wrapper. Open this back up. I'll save the t-shirt maybe. And a Red Dragon Die Keeper. Is that 17 and over Dungeons and Dragons? No way. No one over 17 plays Dungeons and Dragons, do they? Ooh, dragon. Obviously, because it is Dungeons and Dragons. The die. Now, I never played Dungeons and Dragons, but I know it's all about rolling a dice. It's an adult collectible, not a toy. The most covetous of the true dragons, red dragons tirelessly seek to increase their treasure hoards. They are exceptionally vain, even for dragons, and their conceit is reflected in their proud bearing and their disdain for other creatures. So should we roll the die and see what number I get? 15. I reach 15,000 views. I will make another video. So that's Dungeons and Dragons. This t-shirt is Back to the Future, and it is quite a groovy one. The DeLorean. Schematics, blueprint. Looks like something Doc would have done while he was building that on a blackboard. And this is the final thing. Sonic and the Rings. Sonic the Hedgehog. I started off gaming on the Nintendo, and I would have carried that on, but that was a good deal on a Sega Mega Drive for my second console, so that ended up being my console of choice for quite a long time, and Sonic is a game I played quite a lot of. Fond memories of Sonic 3 becoming the Super Sonic. Collect enough rings, you become Super Sonic. This is just normal Sonic, but he is pretty groovy. We've got the little stand he can go on as well. Don't know if he wants to go like this and the 2 rings can go in front. There are never instructions. But being a Sonic master, I would assume would go something like this. Alright, whoa! Sonic and the Rings. You run through there and be a bloody Sonic about it. That is how it should look. And the box, oh, and it's just the whole TV. The inside of the box is pretty cool. Totally awesome, that is. So, whoa. So, let's recap. Loot Crate, you get a box. Into this box, we got a pin. We got a donut, plastic donut. It's not tasty at all. Steal a page from Doc Brown's notebook with a super detailed T design by artist Anthony Petrie, licensed from NBC Universal, made by Loot Crate. I like that t-shirt. It's a nice grey as well. Then we got Sonic the Hedgehog with these rings. So now we have Sonic chasing the rings. That's quite cool. if you're a kid. So that is, someone say, Chill Dog. Celebrate Sega's 1991 classic Sonic the Hedgehog game with this fun figure. It's licensed from Nintendo. Sega, sorry. Obviously it's Sega. We've got your D20 safe. Okay, so from any raving bands of orcs in this die holder, featuring the iconic red dragon. So you can put the die in there. He holds it safe. Licensed from Hasbro, made by LOOTCRATE. And then the Simpsons keychain is 25th anniversary, and the next one is Gallagher Starfighter pin, which must be an Atari game. I've never really played Atari, so I don't really know about that. But if it was Nintendo, I would surely know. Yeah, pretty good haul for all the money I pay them. So next time, I think might be some Legend of Zelda, maybe? I'm not sure, we'll see. But it might be Legends of Zelda. It might be Legend of Zelda. I don't know. But yeah, as I said, I was in Oslo, so I didn't get to do much. Came back and went to see Ready Player One. I was quite impressed with it. Steven Spielberg's film was pretty cool. I'm quite impressed with Artemis. The actress was actually born in Oldham, and quite interesting. She didn't have her northern accent, but it was quite a decent film. I thought they could have done more with a bit of playing around with more things at the beginning, more games that would be more familiar with the people. But it's a good concept, and it probably will be the way games go in the future. Total immersion, one character. Anyway, enough geekery for one unboxing. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching me open my loot crate. Leave a comment and tell me what sort of things you would like to see me unbox. I know the Leica got quite a good load of people watching, and the toys one as well, but if you leave a comment, tell me what sort of thing you'd like me to unbox. I will have a look in my wallet, see if I can open it from Amazon. If you enjoy this video, just please leave it a thumbs up and subscribe, and you'll see some more videos of me mumbling or unboxing some cool stuff. If I play Dungeons and Dragons, I think this would be pretty cool, but I might be giving it away to someone. 50 subscribers, I will give some stuff away. Hit the subscribe button wherever it might show up. Leave a thumbs up on the video. What would you ideally like to see me unbox? But until the next time, I will see you. I won't see you. I'll see you the next time. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.